Welcome to our video tutorial on using free Lisp routines for utility functions. Today, we'll explore 5 powerful utility Lisp routines related to polylines that can make drafting your engineering drawings much easier. Before we dive into the routines, make sure to visit our free Lisp page on our website to download these Lisp files. Simply register and log in to get access. Once downloaded, you can place the FAS or DES files in any folder of your choice. To load these programs, use the Upload command in AutoCAD. First up, we have the Insert Vertices routine. Load the program using the Upload command. Type EXVER at the command prompt. Enter the desired number of vertices to be inserted in each segment of the polyline. This could be to increase detail or to meet specific design requirements. Select the polylines where you want to insert additional vertices. The program utilizes mathematical calculations to evenly distribute the specified number of vertices along each segment of the polyline. Once the operation is complete, your polylines will contain the specified number of vertices in each segment as per your requirements. Next, we have the Calculate Length routine. Load the program using the Upload command. Type PLEN at the command prompt. The program will prompt you to select a file name to save the information about polyline lengths. After you specify the file name, select the lines of interest within your drawing. Whether they span multiple layers or are confined to specific ones, Free Lisp efficiently identifies and analyzes them. Upon execution, Free Lisp swiftly computes the total length of lines across different layers. This automated process eliminates the need for manual calculations, saving you valuable time and effort. Each polyline is marked with starting and end points. The program organizes the calculated lengths into a clear and concise file. You can open and check the content of the file. Each polyline is marked with its respective length. Moving on to the Mark Interior and Exterior Angle routine. Load the program using the Upload command. Type MANG at the command prompt. Select the polylines for which you want to find the interior and exterior angle. The program quickly marks the interior and exterior angle of the selected polylines. Now, let's look at the Create Polyline routine. Free Lisp simplifies the task of removing unwanted vertices from polylines. Load the program using the Upload command. Type SLN at the command prompt. Select the polylines from which you want to remove all vertices and just join the endpoints. The program quickly joins the first and last point of the line and removes all the vertices. By eliminating unnecessary vertices, Free Lisp enhances the clarity and simplicity of your polylines, improving overall workflow efficiency. Lastly, we have the Select Open Polylines routine. Free Lisp selects all open polylines in the drawing and connects the first and last point of each polyline. Load the program using the Upload command. Type FGAP at the command prompt. Select all the lines in the drawing to check if they are open or closed. The program detects open polygons within the drawing and marks their endpoints with a line and a circle for easy identification. Once the open polygons are marked, visually inspect them to determine their status and take necessary actions to close them if required. We hope you find these Lisp routines helpful for your projects. Don't forget to download these free Lisp files from our website. We also customize Lisp routines as per your requirements. Send a sample drawing to info@esurveying.net if you need a custom Lisp. Thanks for watching and happy drafting. Contact eSurveying Softech if you want to see a free demonstration of our Road Infra Suite or Water Infra Suite. Visit our website for more tutorials and free resources.